Okay, I'm all loaded up with first load. That's the crane and the back side where the door is, and there's the trailer with the rest of it that I brought up on Thursday. And it's Saturday now, and we're going to go out and see if this concoction will work. All right, we're getting close. It stands right in there. I don't know if you can see it with the way the sun's shining, but made it across the beaver pond dam for the most part. Zig, gotta undo. All right, panel 2 needs to go up there. This doesn't have a stairs in the way, so hopefully it won't get hung up. Did have to put a couple pulleys over here, so the load on the crane is straight down, not at an angle. It wouldn't hold up for that. So just something to keep in mind. All right, we have one little board on there that is going to give us a little bit of a problem, but not much of a problem. There's the ATV back there as I carefully walk. All right, back at it. This will make me feel much better about any possible wind that may come up. Oh, got caught again. I can barely reach it. Oh, I'm gonna have to, excuse the video inconsistencies, I'm gonna have to let this down just a hair so I can flip that. All right, get back out of harm's way in case something goes horribly wrong. Ha! Not when I'm on the job, but all right. So here we go again. Oh, it's gonna give us a problem. I'm going to have to go up there, so bear with me. Got to haul some dirt or something back here, or shovel, and get rid of some of these my pulley system is holding up nicely. I will feel so much better about having this one. Oh crap, don't have any screwdrivers up here. Oh, it just about would have cleared itself. That's about perfect. But just about isn't good enough. I'll have to let it back down once I get this kind of anchored. So I'm going to stop the video now and anchor it. I'll be driving screws into here that'll go into here, screws down into the base, and a screw from the top down. That'll really tie everything together right there. So, see you later. Okay, this is panel number 3, and I removed the shipping cleats off to so they don't snag on anything. We'll see how this goes. is how the first two should have gone. Now I got to go up, and I'm going to stop recording to maneuver that around, which I can't film and maneuver at the same time. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. All right, panel number 4. All right, beautiful. We have the fourth one up, so 2 more to go after this, and then I got to figure out how to do the roof. So got to go up and fasten it in. So I'll stop this video now. Bye. Okay, so here's the hookup. Haven't gone over that. There's the crane up there with the pulley. Those are garage door pulleys. Comes down. Because we're sideways, we have to exert force in this fashion so that it doesn't pull the crane over. We can't have any side stress. That keeps the stress up and down. Comes down, goes over to the ATV winch, and then now we can start section 5 of 6. Let's see how this goes. Oh boy. Well, we have to pause because I didn't run the cable the right way over on this side. I ran it on the inside of that 2x4. Now I got to get it to the outside, so hold on. Okay, got it on the correct side of the general works. Not a good angle with the sun. To bring it back down, the cable came off the pulley. Okay, a little different angle because I had come up here anyway. Don't like being up here in case something breaks. Came up because I had to get the cable on the pulley. Now, the outrigger is out a little further on this one, so I'm going to have to pull it in using brute force, so that's what I'm going to do now.